My name is Anthony Williams, and today I'm going to give you some basic key points that I wrote in my paper about protein and myoglobin. The first is, what is a protein? Now, protein do a lot of things and function in many ways, from structural support, storage, and even can control cell movement. Each protein is brought together by one or more chains of amino acid that's linked to the peptide bond. The amino acid chain that links protein together is folded into a three-dimensional shape that is given to the protein and determines its shape. Now, proteins can also carry messages from one cell to the other, or for example, acts like a signal to relay information from the plasma membrane to the nucleus for individual cells. Now, there are many different kinds of functions of proteins, which are enzymes, structural protein, transport protein, motor protein, storage protein, signal protein, and receptor protein. And you can see basically what all each can do on page 120 in the Essential Cell Biology book, the 3rd edition, figure panel 4.1. Now, the structure of myoglobin consists of 8 alpha helices, which are folded in a loop. And the interior of myoglobin, which is non-polar hydrophobic acid, and the surface of myoglobin, which is polar hydrophilic acid. And this is the myoglobin structure right here. The next is the function of myoglobin. Myoglobin is found in muscle tissue. It contains iron in the hemiprotein. Myoglobin has one heme group and can only bind to oxygen. Studies show that a person would only be able to see myoglobin after a muscle injury has occurred. Now, myoglobin, the definition of myoglobin is that it is an oxygen binding or carrying muscle protein and is in almost all mammals. This is some more information about myoglobin. Myoglobin was the first protein whose tertiary structure was observed by X-ray crystallography in 1958 by John Kendrew. It acts as a reservoir for binding oxygen and improving the functional capacities of oxygen. It belongs to the hemiprotein family, which includes the hemoglobin, the neuroglobin, and the cytoglobin. Now, in humans, you will see that myoglobin is encoded by the MB gene. Now, the diseases of myoglobin is that myoglobin is a potential marker for muscle injury. It is said that it can be a potential marker for heart attack in patients with chest pain. Some sources try to connect myoglobin diseases to breast cancer. And this is the cited page that I got. The endogenous myoglobin in human breast cancer, that was the website, the article that was telling you, trying to connect myoglobin to human breast cancer. And that is it for my protein presentation. Thank you for watching and have a good day.